Dry foods should be stored in a cool, dry place. A. Store dry foods near the stove. B. Store dry foods in a cool, dry location. C. Temperature does not affect dry food. D. Dry foods can be stored anywhere. Answer B. Proper storage preserves the quality and safety of dry foods. Cans with dents, leaks, or bulging should be rejected. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Damaged cans may harbor bacteria, including Clostridium botulinum. Cooked food must reach the correct internal temperature before serving. A. Correct internal temperature is necessary. B. Cooked food temperatures are not critical. C. Internal temperature is only important for meat. D. Food can be served without temperature checks. Answer A. Proper cooking temperatures ensure food safety and destroy harmful bacteria. Leftovers must be cooled rapidly and stored at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. A. Cool leftovers slowly at room temperature. B. Store leftovers in the refrigerator within 2 hours. C. Cooling speed does not matter. D. Leftovers do not need refrigeration. Answer B. Rapid cooling prevents bacteria from growing in leftover food. Hot foods should not be left at room temperature for more than 2 hours. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Keeping hot foods out too long allows harmful bacteria to grow. Employees must be trained to recognize symptoms of foodborne illness. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Awareness of symptoms helps prevent employees from working while ill. Proper hand washing is the single most effective way to prevent foodborne illness. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Hand washing removes germs that could contaminate food. Employees should report any open wounds to their manager. A. False. B. True. Answer B. Open wounds can expose food to harmful bacteria and should be addressed. Foods contaminated by chemicals are unsafe for consumption. A. False. B. True. Answer B. Chemical contamination can cause serious health risks. High-risk populations include infants, elderly people, and those with weakened immune systems. A. True. B. False. Answer A. These groups are more vulnerable to foodborne illnesses. Food held between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit promotes the rapid growth of bacteria. A. Bacteria do not grow in this range. B. This range is known as the danger zone. C. Bacteria grow slower in this range. D. Foods in this range are always safe. Answer B. The danger zone allows bacteria to multiply rapidly, making food unsafe. Raw shellfish can carry Vibrio bacteria if not properly cooked. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Vibrio bacteria thrive in undercooked or raw shellfish. The temperature danger zone is between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. A. False. B. True. Answer B. Bacteria multiply rapidly within this temperature range. Personal hygiene is critical to food safety. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Poor hygiene can lead to contamination of food products. Proper storage of perishable items includes using airtight containers. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Airtight containers prevent contamination and preserve freshness. Cross-contamination occurs when bacteria are transferred from one surface to another. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Cross-contamination is a leading cause of foodborne illness. Cooling large quantities of food quickly can be done using shallow pans. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Shallow pans allow food to cool evenly and reduce the risk of bacteria growth. Foods reheated for hot holding must reach a minimum internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Reheating to 165 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that bacteria are destroyed before serving. Employees experiencing diarrhea or vomiting must inform their manager immediately. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Symptoms like diarrhea and vomiting may indicate a foodborne illness, making it unsafe for the employee to handle food. Wearing jewelry while preparing food increases the risk of contamination. A. Jewelry does not pose a risk. B. Jewelry is acceptable if clean. C. Jewelry can harbor bacteria and cause contamination. D. Jewelry is only unsafe for raw food preparation. Answer C. Jewelry can trap bacteria or fall into food, leading to contamination. Equipment and utensils should be washed, rinsed, and sanitized before use. A. Only washing is required. B. Sanitize without washing. C. Wash, rinse, and sanitize before each use. D. Cleaning is needed only for visible dirt. Answer C. This three-step process ensures all equipment is safe to use. Food handlers must avoid touching their face or hair while working. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Touching the face or hair introduces germs to hands that can contaminate food. Mops and cleaning cloths should be stored in designated areas away from food preparation spaces. A. Store cleaning tools in any location. B. Designated storage keeps them away from food. C. Cleaning tools can be left near food prep areas. D. Cleaning tools do not impact food safety. Answer B. Proper storage prevents cross-contamination from cleaning supplies to food. Preventing pest infestations includes keeping all food storage areas clean and sealed. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Clean and sealed storage areas minimize the risk of attracting pests. Hand washing stations must always be stocked with soap, warm water, and disposable towels. A. True. B. False. Answer A. Fully stocked hand washing stations encourage proper hygiene among employees.